All right, guys, we're back out here on the range today. We're here at Spring Creek Shooting Range. You can see it right there behind me here in Appalachia, Polk County, Tennessee. We're going to be trying out some of these ARs right here. We have an AR pistol and we have an AR rifle. So what we'll be shooting today here, as you can see, we have an AR pistol right here. We got an Aero Precision lower with an Aero Precision upper, Atlas S1 handguard system, really nice. We have both for these guns here, a Romeo 7 red dot optic. If I can zoom out. Got a Romeo 7 red dot optic. We'll be shooting around 300 rounds, 400 rounds today. We'll also be testing around this drum mag here, so that will be interesting. That's a 65 round mag, drum mag. AR pistol, pretty cool. It's got a Spikes tactical bolt carrier group, so it's not an Aero Precision bolt carrier group, because I've heard those are pretty finicky. Magpul grips on here. This BCM upper with a Smith & Wesson M&P 15 Sport 2 lower, so that will be interesting. This is a BCM 16-inch upper right here, MCMR handguard system. We have an MK2 ambidextrous bolt carrier, charging handle, the classic bolt carrier group from BCM. Very nice indeed. And Smith & Wesson, they make a good quality lower, so I just slapped on the lower with the upper, so pretty cool. We have some flip up sights just for backup, you know, if I don't want to run the red dot. And of course these Romeo 7s are QD, so quick detach, pretty nice. So we're going to be testing these out today, seeing their function and seeing how they run. We got some targets and stuff like that. They're for handguns, but I'm sure they'll work fine for rifles too. So let's get it going. Dieter, what are your thoughts?
Let's go shoot some guns.
Oh yeah, let's go shoot some guns. First off, first one, we're going to try the BCM upper, Smith & Wesson lower. See how this one goes. We got it out to about 40 yards, something around there. 30.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring my 5.56.
You shoot mine?
Yeah.
Shoot yours.
I'll be putting my can on it.
I think the end of this is threaded. It wouldn't be the threads on here, I'll put.
No.
I can't tell what I'm hitting, but
How do you like the BCM?
shoots pretty nice.
Let's try an
As long as
irons,
we're shooting full metal jackets and not the
iron sights.
green tips.
perfect function. And perfect projection pattern, because those rounds were hitting me exactly in the hand every single time. We're going to try out the pistol, AR pistol, Aero Precision Custom. We'll see how it goes. Got the pin mag in. Seems to function well. It's a good shooter. Low recoil. Very low recoil. 12.5-inch barrel.
Going down range.
All right, from about 30 to 50 yards, we don't really know the distance, but as you can see, very accurate with the BCM and the Aero Precision. We can't tell which one shot which groups because we didn't really take a pause on that, but as you can see, multiple center hits right here. Very accurate rifles. Have them well lubed up, good ammunition. Should be good to go getting results like that. That's very nice.
I was telling we're gonna have to leave around 3. We're gonna have to leave around 3. Yeah, but this one.
No, it's not like that.
As you can see, we got a nice little heat to the barrel there.
Oh, okay.
Smoking just a smidge there on the Aero Precision.
I understand.
Very nice rifle though, low recoil, shoots good.
Left side at all.
Just a good quality rifle, ain't it, Dieter?
It is.
As you guys can see, we got that BCM upper right here performing flawlessly. Getting a little hot, you can see the smoke. Very nice. Good quality BCM. So guys, we set up another fresh target, and as you can see, just really accurate groups. This is with the BCM 16-inch upper. We have that Aero 12.5-inch upper doing really good as well. But look at these groups stacked right in on top of each other, right dead center. And we're only, what, how far away? 35, 50 yards, somewhere around there. So just really good grouping right here with that BCM upper. Make sure you zoom in and get some good lighting and change your position every now and then. We're gonna try this BCM. Should perform pretty well. It's a little hot, so Dieter got the luck of me. Oh, he put it on safety. Good job. Good boy, good boy. As you can see, this bad boy is smoking pretty hot, pretty hard to touch the handrail. I need to get a foregrip for it, of course, but very nice gun. This thing is running like a dream with the Smith & Wesson lower, SIG red dot. It's looking beautiful.
Here we got Ryan's grouping.
This is what happens when you rapid fire
Yeah.
and you don't practice on accuracy. We're gonna try it again with the same target, with the Aero Precision though. I'm gonna take my time with it like you did. Ready for it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Done. Let's go see how we did. These groups went all down right here.
Yeah.
So I was overcompensating with recoil. Looks like my group's all centered right here. And Dieter has a much better grouping. So good job, Dieter Alles. All right, guys, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna practice a little run and gun, this time with a drum mag. We're gonna be imitating storming a trench in Ukraine. Our position is 30, 50 yards out. We'll see how we do. Dieter is going to be our test subject today because he won the absolute best grouping of the day, no doubt. So let's get started.
That shit is hot.
Shit is hot.
Smoking.
Look at that thing. You can see the smoke in the daylight.
Hey.
Still got rounds in it, but it's too hot.
It's
Shot
too hot.
200 rounds already through it.
Yeah.
So guys, as you can see, we just tried to storm that trench. We've already blasted like 300 rounds through this AR. It's already hot. So putting a 65 round drum in it, it's definitely going to be even hotter. What we need to get is a foregrip on this bad boy, a light, and a sling. And then we're good to go, aren't we, for storming trenches in Ukraine, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Let's go test that out. Perfect function and reliability today.
Oh, yeah.
No problems, no hiccups whatsoever with the AR pistol or the BCM Smith & Wesson hybrid little Frankenstein rifle. So let's get to it and see that group. All right, so now that I had a more stable platform, you have a better platform for shooting, you're gonna get much better groups. Here I shot a really good pattern right here, pretty much everywhere, dead center on this target. Just a very good grouping with that Aero Precision AR pistol. Very nice, 12.5-inch upper, very good for still touching out, good accuracy. Even with that budget 55 grain, we're shooting American 55 grain Federal. So yeah, pretty good, I'd have to say so. So this is the results we want to see. Really take your time, you can get some good results like this. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up our range day for today, shooting the BCM and the Aero Precision. Dieter, what are your thoughts on shooting these rifles or rifle and pistol today?
This BCM is real nice, real accurate. This thing's real light. It's fun to run around with, do some stupid stuff.
Good home defense, little AR pistol.
Yeah.
That one definitely duty driven.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So, really good rifles, guys. And of course, we oiled, maintain these rifles and stuff like that. We want to make sure they're functioning properly every single time, have good range ammunition, and have good self-defense ammunition, right? Get that 62 grain green tip. We're just shooting 55 grain Federal American Eagle. Perfect for range ammo and stuff like that. And we had zero malfunctions, zero flaws between both the pistol and the rifle. It just formed flawlessly, guys. That's what we expect out of an AR-15. Good quality AR-15.